My name is Teju Suke. We are final year diploma student, Department of Electrical Engineer in IT Polytechnic Nagpur. My project name is Control the Home Application using the smartphone. Abstract are this book about the Arduino microcontroller and Arduino concept. The visionary Arduino term of Maximo Banzit, David Kotler, Tom Igoi, Gianluca Martino, and David Mills launches a new innovation microcontroller hardware in 2005 with emphasis keen environmental and efficient operation vehicle. Today rely more and more heavily electrical power generation for success.
This is our first component, which is Arduino Uno. It is a microcontroller, 8-bit AVR family microcontroller. It has 14 pins. Its frequency is 16 megahertz. The main heart of our project is Arduino Uno. Firstly, I will tell you about this definition, concept, and why we are using this board for our project. Arduino Uno is a microcontroller board based on 8-bit Atmega 328. Microcontroller consists the components such as crystal oscillator, voltage regulator, etc. The second component is relay. It is a four channel relay board. In the market, 8 channels and 16 channels also available, but we are using 4 channel because we want to make this project handy and very cheap. It has 4 outputs to connect 4 appliances, which is sufficient for our project. It is designed to operate with any 5-volt microcontroller. This is our last component, which is Bluetooth module. It is HC05 Bluetooth module. Its function is to receive the data from mobile and pass it on into a relay board. The objective is to choose this Bluetooth module because it is very easily available in the market.
Hello everyone, myself Nikonj Charpe. We are final year diploma student, Electrical Department, NIT Polytechnic Nagpur. I have explained course outcome and program outcome. Course outcome: first, evaluate the working of Arduino microcontroller or relay. Second, analyze the use of different electrical appliances or equipment. Third, enhance the knowledge about wireless electricity. Fourth, enhance the knowledge about the principle of Arduino microcontroller. Program outcome: first, basic on discipline specific knowledge. Second, program analysis. Third, design and development of solution. Fourth, engineering tools and experimentation and testing. Fifth, project management. Sixth, lifelong learning.
Morning, my name is Ajay Bharti. The components used in this project, first one is relay board module, which is 5-volt 4 channels, and second, wireless transceiver Bluetooth, which is model number SC06, and Arduino microcontroller, which is Atmega 328P, and jumper wire, which is 5 volts, and holder 230 volts AC, and bulbs 100 watts, and copper wire 1.5 mm square. Application of this project: it is used for wireless electricity. It is used for saving electricity. Skill development: technical knowledge. Second, communication skill. Third, presentation skill. Advantage of this project: not much knowledge required to get started. It is cheap in cost. It comes with an open supply hardware features. The software of the Arduino is well situated with all kinds in operation system likes Windows. For beginners, it is very simple to use. Disadvantage: structure is very complicated.